Good students, today we will study about classification of angle. Classification of angle. Different types of the angles are naming according to their properties. As some are before it, I have taught you about some angles as 0 degree angle, acute angle and right angles. About this I have taught about this. After this next angle as here for obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. In this case we study that what is obtuse angle. That angles obtuse angles. That angles are greater than or greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree are called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle as 91 degree, 98 degree, 100 degree, 120 degree up to 179 degree. So these types of angles are known as obtuse angle. The structure of obtuse angle here AOB. This structure is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. AOB is a obtuse angle. Angle AOB equal to obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay, students. So these types of the shape of obtuse angle is thus. After this, next angle, straight angle. Straight angle. What is straight angle? Straight angle. An angle measuring 180 degree is called 180 degree is called straight angle, straight angle as straight angle straight angle straight angle. Oh, here this angle is made here as it is 90 degree, but it is first ray and this is the second ray. First ray, let first ray, or you suppose first ray and this is the second ray joining at P. At this time this shape is perpendicular to each other, but this angle increase this type here, increase and make a 180 degree angle straight to each other. Then point O make a 180 degree angle. Thus angle this O is the point. So here make angle 180 degree because both rays are straight and join a point in a straight line. Joining point when two rays joining a straight line, that point make angle 180 degree. So, okay students, these types of angles are known as straight angle. Here this angle is known as straight angle, 180 degree angle, 180 degree angle. So, okay students, so these types of angles are called straight angle. After this, in sixth number as reflex angle, reflex angle. Reflex angle, angles that angles are greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree angle are called reflex angles as 185 degree, 175 degree to 276 degree, 300 and 359 degree angle. So, okay students, so these types of angles are known as reflex angle. The shape of this here straight line, here straight line to 180 degree, but here draw these lines. Thus this is known as reflex angle O ray. Thus here you can write P QO. Here angle POQ is equal to reflex angle. Reflex angle. So okay student, this angle POQ is reflex angle. Reflex angle. So okay students, so these angles you clearly learn and write in your mathematics notebook. So okay students, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay students, thank all of you.